Okay guys, I'm back and we're doing another stir fry. Tonight I'm going to do shrimp, okay? And it's with asparagus. I changed the protein and I changed the veggie, but everything else is the same. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Okay, we're going to blanch the asparagus. I cut off the top tips because I don't like the bottoms and we don't need them. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to blanch them for a few seconds. Use the same bowl. Same thing. As soon as they're ready, I'm going to pull them out. Okay. And now I don't know how fast they blanch, so I'm going to watch them. Not long, because I've done this for a saute dish, and I think I steamed them before I steamed them and then did them in a saute, so it doesn't take long. Okay, now remember guys, I'm new to the stir fries. I learned myself after years and years and years because I love it and I love Asian flavors. Now let me talk a bit more about it. It's the same setup I did on the beef with broccoli that you saw. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is the umami of the Chinese flavor for stir fries, for me. And what I've learned from watching several people and several cooks and several chefs. There's one in particular I'll share soon that I learned these flavor profiles from. And that's before I even knew what a flavor profile was. I'm not a chef. I'm home, self-taught, just want to know, just love certain foods and want to learn how to cook them. Asian is one of my faves. I love Chinese takeout. It's getting stupid expensive and ridiculously with the portions. Now, an order that used to be shrimp or broccoli, you would get 6 big, nice shrimps. Now they're smaller and there's 5. And there's more broccoli. Come on now. And it's like $14, $12. It's ridiculous. So I'm not doing it. I want what I want. I want quality food at a discount, and you can get it. You can get good food. You can find even organic on sale, clearance. Trust me. Everything is negotiable. Everything is saleable. It goes on sale. You just have to be a savvy shopper. I'm not claiming to be, but that's how you get it done. You can't, if you have a little bit of knowledge, I shop when things go on sale, when I stock up. You got one freezer, chicken breast go on sale in every supermarket, everywhere. I buy them when they're on sale. Then I fry them, I cutlet them, I stuff them, I rollatini them. I do everything with them. But you just got to know what you like. Chopped meat, ground beef, it's always on sale. Get it in bulk and plan your recipes. I do the same with my shrimp, my vegetables, my meats, mostly the proteins, because they're expensive. The shrimp, the filet mignon I use, the chicken, salmon, lobster, all of that is pretty pricey. So let me test one of these. They've only been at it about 2 minutes. I don't have my my chopsticks, so I need a fork. Oh, okay. I could get a fork through it. That's tender enough because it's going to stir fry now. And there's carryover cooking, okay? You see how I'm putting them in here now? They're still cooking. They're still heating. So by the time I stir fry them, not a worry. Okay. And this, like I said, guys, this could have been any veggie you want. I'm going to show you several. If you indulge me and like the videos and like and comment and ask me for more, I'm going to keep doing them as much as I can, changing the protein all the time and show you it's always healthy, it's always fast, and it's always good. And it's always the same simple ingredients. That's the main thing about it. You want simple ingredients, 4 or 5. You want to be done in under 30 minutes. You want a good, healthy meal on the table for your family. That's it. That's all you want. Okay, we're ready. We're going to open the garlic. This is the time I use chopped. I can't. I don't have time. And also, I said it before, I have my aroma rice cooker there that always has my rice on the ready, so I don't have no worries. That's waiting for me. You've seen everything else. I need a spoon, a small spoon, to get this garlic out. Oh, maybe a fork. I can use the fork. Okay. Let me lower the heat a little bit because now the wok has been so heated. Now it's like fire ready. Okay, watch this. You'll see in a minute. Put a good amount of oil. Now, I'm going to put a fork full of garlic. It's going to sizzle. There you go. Okay, I knew it was going to do that. All right, here we go. Let's get the shrimp in. Now, the shrimp is seasoned in the same as I did the beef. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And I marinated them. Unlike the beef, these weren't in overnight. These were in about 4 hours. No biggie. But the longer you marinate them, the better, obviously. These are still smoking. They're still cooking. That's why you don't do them too much. I need a spatula. Okay. All right. I'm going to have to use my non-stick. Ouch. Can you see this? I always want you to see. Awesome. Awesome. Let me get that other pan out of my way, the pot. Okay. Rolling along, guys. I got to get a plate ready. Look at that. Beautiful. UTS. I'm going to put the asparagus in at this time. I'm going to move this. I'm going to get a plate ready for rice. So you can see the beauty of this dish. And how fast and easy. What did I do? 5 minutes I'm here. Come on, guys. 5 minutes. It's really the prep that gets you there. Steaming the veggies. 2, 3. But blanching them 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Marinating. Doing the day before. In the morning. That's the time consuming. The rice cooks by itself in the rice cooker. I could do this with my eyes closed. And I want you to do that. You don't need a full, tutorial of 10 steps. It's not that complicated. I say that because I used to stress over it. And I wanted so bad to learn it. Now I got it. And I want to share it. Okay, look at that. I'm going to cut the heat off because they're done. They're done. I can't tip the camera anymore. But look. They're done. Now we're going to plate it. Okay. I'm going to take it from the heat because I don't want it to cook anymore. Let me get the rice on the dish. Where's the scooper? Okay. Let's do this. Get that rice out. Making a bit of rice here, guys. So I got a lot of shrimp there. I counted them out. There's like 14. Me and Vinny will share this dish because in abundance. Oh my God. I can't wait. Okay. Let me plate this. And then I'm going to have to tilt the camera to show you the finished plate. Shrimp Stir-fried shrimp and asparagus over white jasmine rice. Here you go, people. Doesn't get better than that. Okay. It looks so good. Okay. Here you go, guys. Does that not look beautiful? Look at that. Okay. 15 minutes. Lovely, lovely, luscious. Okay. Enough bragging rights. All right. It's all for you. I want to help you and get you to do these stir fries as easy as I do because I love them. And I love you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. And ask for more. Tell me in the comments what you want to see. Whatever it is, I'll do it. If I don't know it, I'll learn it.